Today I'm working on the partner to the T254 string trimmer that I repaired recently. This is the Shindaiwa EB254, also a hybrid 4 machine, so it's got that same 4-stroke engine. This has been sitting for a long time. It does not run. I'll take you through the process of diagnosing and repairing it. This machine is actually in fantastic shape. I have no idea why it's been sitting for so long unused. The fuel tank is completely dry and smells horrible inside. It's got both of its air filters. That one looks like it's fuel saturated. It's got that greenish gray tone to it. Doesn't feel like it has any compression, just like the T254 felt. I put some mixed fuel in it. The fuel tank grommet is leaking nicely. Let's see if the carburetor will pump up. Right away it does. That's even with that old fuel filter that was in there. Let's give it some choke. And a little, these have cruise control, so I'll lock the throttle. That's pretty amazing. I'm sure the carburetor has some pretty stiff diaphragm and pump parts inside it, which is why it won't come up to full throttle. That'll pop the engine cover off, do a quick valve adjustment, and then take a look at the carburetor. Before I get going, I'll replace that fuel filter. The tool I use is just a piece of coat hanger with a bend and a little handle on the end of it. See if I can get this fuel hose to come off without damaging it. Put the smaller diameter fuel filter on it, that'll fit better. I've cleaned out the air filter with carburetor cleaner and compressed air, and I washed out the foam filter that lives in the cover. So let's put it back together. I still haven't adjusted the valves yet, and I may not. We'll see how it runs with a good air filter and a good fuel filter on it. Let's test the restart. Well, other than the fuel tank grommet, I would say this is done. It runs fantastic and it's in like new condition, with a little bit of dirt on it. So I'll call that a success. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out.